We don't do nothing subtle, let's get busy. Capital on my trucker, let's get busy. Baby, you know there's nothing, don't be silly. Already know what's up, okay, let's get it. Tell me who want that smoke, you know I'm with it. Tell me who want that smoke, you know I'm with it.
Vlogs on YouTube. Hi.
Seriously?
Yes, no.
I love cruising with my day ones, doing the things that only we know how to do. Living moments, we on the run. We on the run. Chilling, sipping bottles with the crew. Girl, you were there for me. You held me down, lifted me up when no one was around. But I am thankful.
Just when we didn't expect, my family and I lost our father, husband, brother, and in-law to the cold hands of death on 15 July 2024. This shattered me and broke me into pieces. I can't explain this feeling right now. I am at the acceptance stage. God help my family and I through this grieving process. Amen.
You held me through. Top down living.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know that I have been quite away from YouTube, and I mean there's a whole lot I need to gist to you guys, but I believe that if you follow me on my social media platform, you definitely know why I took the break. Even like on Facebook, I stopped posting on Facebook because guys, it's been a really tough time for I and my family. But guess what, new location unlocked. I'm currently in Lagos. I arrived Lagos last night. A lot has happened, so I'm staying in this apartment. Yeah guys, I'm just trying to like vlog bits and pieces of this moment because it's very special to me. And yeah, I'll give you guys the full tea like sometime either in this vlog or in another vlog, or maybe a proper sit down video. But yeah, I'm in Lagos for a few days, and yeah, I'm staying in this place, and the bathroom looks so nice. I've kind of settled in, so like things are everywhere, but I'll try to do like a quick tour for you all to see. So yeah, if you're new here, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff that they do. And yeah, I've had breakfast already. I didn't show you guys that, but I had like a parfait that I got yesterday. So yeah, having lost my dad recently, I realized that one thing that gave me joy or always made me happy was cooking. I went back to the kitchen, guys. For some time I've not been cooking, but somehow this death has drawn me back to the kitchen. It brought back my love for cooking, and I'm really enjoying the experience. I made this egusi soup and eba, and it was really nice. It really banged. It was really amazing. If you've been wanting to try uziza and ugu in your egusi soup, you should try it. And one hack for cooking a really nice egusi soup is to let your egusi soup cook. Guys, fry it, leave it to boil, let it cook for a very long time, and make sure you use a lot of crayfish. That's just the hack. Will you try this? Let me know in the comments. Come with me to the famous BOLE Festival, where people come to celebrate BOLE, celebrate in Port Harcourt. There's so many things that you can see, you can watch. But guys, on this day, I didn't feel like even eating BOLE, because I mean, that's like a regular. So I went around sightseeing, window shopping, and I also bought a few things from some vendors that I've been wanting to shop from. I've been seeing their ads on Instagram and all of that. You guys, this event is actually one to send because if you've not gone for it before, you should actually try it out. You would not regret it at all. Guys, this thing could be mad. If you want to know how it goes down in Harcourt on BOLE Festival, keep watching.
If you know you can sing, if you know you can freestyle, boy or girl, let me see you wave your hands. Listen, I want us to do something real quick.
I recently rekindled my love for cooking again. I found my way back to the kitchen, and guys, today I'm making ogbono soup. I'm going to go ahead to season my proteins and leave that to cook. Quickly mix up the ogbono with palm oil. I like this process because it doesn't leave any lumps and it cooks faster. Ogbono is actually my favorite soup. I can eat it. Favorite food, in fact, I can eat it all day. I'll add my stockfish, add some crayfish and some Cameroon pepper for some flavor. And I'm very generous with my crayfish when I'm cooking soup. I've added the ogbono into it. As you can see, it's very slimy. I'm going to add some egusi for more texture and add some dry fish. Sprinkle a bit of salt again, and then add my vegetables. You can add any vegetable of your choice, but I used bitter leaf for this one and it was really nice. I loved it. Cooking this soon? Let me know in the comments.
And if they do you wrong,